Hello there, I'm Jared. Welcome to Essential Life. Today we're in Forest Park at the Maclay entrance. It's one of the more popular entrances in Portland. There are lots of entrances to Forest Park all along the Tualatin Hills behind me, but this one is pretty accessible right from the major downtown Portland area. Parking's a little tricky, but if you can find a spot, then this is a great place to come. Forest Park, one of the crown jewels of Portland, is an urban forest all along the Tualatin Hills. It's over 5,000 acres of woods and forests and hillsides and hiking trails everywhere. Depending on where you are up in the hills, you can get an incredible view of the whole Columbia River and Willamette Valley Basin and Portland, and so it's just a wonderful place to come for hiking, for biking. I came here even though it's raining, even though it's very wet out. I just couldn't stay inside anymore, so here I am to brave the elements and hopefully get some awesome footage of the woods and the forested hills here at Forest Park. So let's check it out. So Forest Park off the Maclay Park entrance. Highly recommended if you're in the downtown Portland area and you want to find a nice little hike that goes up into the forest but doesn't take you too far and isn't too hard to get to. Be advised, however, depending on your mapping app, for example on Apple Maps, when I looked up Maclay Park entrance to Forest Park, I got way off on this bridge up here and up in the hills somewhere, and it was like somebody's driveway and it was really weird. So here's what you do. You go to Upshur Street, go to the end, and then there's just a little kind of circular driveway area, and there's parking right around that area. So that's the best way to get here if you're using the car. If you're using a bus or bike or some other transportation, you should be able to look up the best instructions for how to get here. All right, thanks for watching this. Be sure to click that like button or subscribe to my channel for more great videos about Portland and the Pacific Northwest, as well as the philosophy of Essentialism. Bye.